I wanted to do something different from what everyone was doing, because everyone were either going to the US doing an MS, or people were getting placed in Infosys and places like that. I'm sure people still want that, but I wanted something different. So I joined Backstage Pass. This was about 10 years ago, and I took this academic path, and it's more of a career path than an academic path, because I knew that would lay the foundations to my career in this industry. For most people, it would benefit a lot to be trained in it before they enter something like that. There are few natural born talents. I'll give the exception of that. If you have the tendency to pick things up really well, or you're technically inclined, I would say that's still a very valid choice.